guess what? I've done something really exciting with my photography. I've taken my clients' photos and I've turned them into cartoons and put them onto keyrings. And today I've got one right here to unbox. Each one can be completely customized. Comic book style, Simpsons style, anime style, you name it. And here is a cartoon version of myself. So let's open this up and see how it turned out. So here is a cartoon version of myself made into a keyring. Honestly, this is such a fun way to take photography beyond the frame and turn it into something that people can carry with them every day. And I just want to show you like another little close-up of the keyring. It's on two sides, and this side is slightly more matte, where this side is more laminated. So when you have this keyring, it feels nice to touch, just having it on your keys. It's a nice little aesthetic to have, and you can always look at it and it'll be, this is me with my camera, but this can be of you and your family. So it's a nice little memory to have. But what do you think? Would you want your own photo turned into something like this? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Hit the subscribe button, as I've got many more creative ideas coming just like this one. But in the meantime, if you click over on this video here, it will show you more of my unboxing videos. So click up here and I'll see you over there.